Good morning. From some mountain. I'm actually in the mountains, and I am inside of a old, probably renewed hunting, scouting places. Right here, pretty comfortable, and yeah, I'm in a nice place. This takes way back in the time. Actually, in this house right there, my grandparents used to live, and also after they moved, they came here very often, as well as my dad. And yeah, I walked up here roughly an hour, a little bit less, and I'm having a very nice time. So discovering, it's been a while since I was here. When I was little, we used to come a few times a year. Now it's my first time in a few years, I think. But actually, the view here is amazing, and of course the forest. So we love it in the mountains. So this is today's plan, and after that we will see you in the evening. Bye bye.